Guys, so new 2021 quarter mint error coins found, along with some other 2019 quarter errors, and then I'll show you a couple pennies I had graded as well. So found, bought on eBay, and we got some of them. These are on eBay for sale right now, so I'm not keeping those ones, but I'm going to show you guys what you should be looking for on these coins. All right, so first up, with these coins right here, these are the 2021 Crossing the Delaware quarters. You want to look for this die chip there at the top of Washington's hat. All right, so always be on the lookout for those. They are selling on eBay. I ended up getting these graded, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 graded at a Mint State 65 by Annex. I'm selling those ones. All right, now I also have a few examples of this in a Mint State 66. So again, if we zoom in there, you see that on top, that die break there on the hat. All right, so we got 3 of those at a Mint State 66. All right, so same coin at a 66. All right, we have one at a 67. So this one's going to sell for a little more, but I'm actually keeping this one for my collection. Mint State 67, better condition than the last 2. All right, so we got that one. Or actually, we got 2 of these at a 67. So I guess I'm going to maybe sell one and keep one. So 67 there with the die break there on the top of the hat. And then we have a big boy here. So this is the really good one to find. They're calling this the crown die break here. So this is pretty cool. Mint State 65. This is definitely the most valuable one and the best one to look for because it takes up the whole top of the hat there. Always be on the lookout for that. It even goes through the lettering E pluribus unum there. So check out your 2021 quarters for that. But we have more. This one here is graded at a Mint State 65. And this is also the die chip or the die break there on the top of the hat. This one here is a smaller die break at the top of the hat there. So there are different examples, of course. And we got another example here that is much smaller. Very hard to see this one. So definitely use your coin microscopes. It's right there at the back of the hat. That little bitty die chip there. Look out for that as well. All right, so there's the 2021 quarters. Now here is the San Antonio Missions 2019 quarter with a reverse die break. And we are going to see that here at the top of this cross here. Right there underneath the I and O in San Antonio. So you can look for that as well on the 2019 quarters. And then we also have a different example. This is a die chip here. Die chips on the reverse of the same coin, 2019. San Antonio Missions. You'll see it there on the left side. So always be on the lookout for those as well. Those aren't super valuable or anything, but I figured I'd send them to get graded. Now we also sent in a off-center penny, but not only an off-center penny, it has a die clash as well. So you'll see the pillars. You'll see the pillars here from the reverse design. Here, let me get this better focused. See the pillars from the reverse there? There we go. That's a good shot right there. There we go, all the way across the coin, and it was struck off-center. That is graded by Annex at a Mint State 64 red. And then I also sent in a 2019 double die obverse, Mint State 65 red as well. So you can look for that doubling there on the obverse of the 2019. We've done a video on that as well. So always be on the lookout for the double die obverse 2019. That is the DDO-001. Now, we also have brand new product on the store. Flashlight, keychain, Couch Collectibles logo with a little magnifier on there. So if you're on the go, you're not carrying your microscope around all the time, whip out your set of keys, and bam, you got a little magnifier there to help you see stuff. But that's not it. We also have Couch Collectibles patches. And we also have Couch Collectibles pop sockets to go on the back of your phone. That way you can hold your phone These things are awesome. I love them. Probably one of my favorite products besides the keychain that is new on the store. We got Couch Collectibles cups that change colors. They turn green once you put a liquid in them. These are awesome as well. Of course, we still got hats, and we also have large Couch Collectibles stickers. Now, any orders $50 and over, you get a Couch Collectibles sticker and a Couch Collectibles bracelet. 2 bracelets for the bundle. So if you spend $50, you get a bracelet and a sticker. We have a bundle, so a sticker, 2 bracelets, a patch, a pop socket holder, phone holder, and a keychain bundled on the store, couchcollectibles.com. Go check it out right now. And don't forget about the cups. Don't forget about the cups. People are loving these things. We got plenty of books too as well, guys, and mystery boxes. So if you guys want a mystery box on the store, feel free to go get one. They are available right now on the store. Couch Collectibles coin collecting mystery box. All kinds of different random stuff and coins in there. And yeah, I think this is going to be where I disappear. Microscopes are in stock. Everything's restocked right now. We got cards on the eBay store as well. Just pulled a 1-of-1 pre-production Conor McGregor proof. That is awesome. From Leaf. I pulled this out of a box of cards, 1-of-1. Selling that on eBay. Not a big Conor McGregor fan. If you think that's crazy, I also pulled a Joe Montana autographed Leaf card 2021. Pretty cool. So thank you guys so much for watching this one. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one.